I have seen Reddit story videos all over my For You page, and I have always wondered, how are these videos made? Today, I'm going to share an AI tool with you that you can generate these Reddit story videos and you can customize them to your own liking. So this tool is called short.ai, and the main features of this AI tool is you can generate AI story, Reddit story, fake text, and dialogue videos with only a few clicks of a button, and no editing is required at all. But I also want you to keep in mind that this tool is not free, but please watch this video and you can make your decision at the end if this tool is worth it or not for you. Personally, for me, it is worth it because of the amount of time I can save rather than doing it from scratch. However, you do not have to strictly just have this AI tool to make Reddit story videos. There's also a free way to do it, so if you want to see that version of making Reddit stories, then let me know down below and I'd love to make a video on that. So let's hop into short.ai. As you open up the link that's in my description, you will need to sign up for a new account, and then it will show you all the features of this tool. For this video, I will be doing the Reddit story feature and showing you how to generate these videos. You can then select your own background style, which has a lot of different Minecraft options. And after you select that, then you can input your Reddit post description and video script. For myself, I have a finance clipping account with 52,000 followers, and I want to test out a finance Reddit story, and I've heard that Reddit stories can be monetized on TikTok, so I'm going to try it out for this finance account. So I found an entertaining Reddit post that has to do with finances, and I'm going to copy and paste this story into ChatGPT. And I'm only doing this because I do not want to steal this Reddit story word for word. So the initial prompt I put into ChatGPT is make this Reddit story with more drama and use different words in the story, as this will be turned into a TikTok video. I then copy and pasted the story into ChatGPT and I let it rewrite the story for me. So I have this new story that is somewhat similar to the Reddit post, but it added a few extra details. And as I was doing research on making Reddit videos, some people I saw just copy and pasted the script without changing anything. However, from my perspective, I feel like the script needs to be changed a bit just because of copyright issues, but let me know down below what is the best way for finding Reddit stories and if you change them at all. So now I'm going to copy and paste the title of the story into the Reddit post description box. And this is the part that's going to be showed on the title card when the video first starts. And now I'm going to copy and paste the ChatGPT script into the video script box on short.ai. You can also customize the Reddit card by clicking the drop down arrow, and you can change the username, profile pic, and anything else you would like to change. Now let's click next. And we have a ton of options regarding the caption style, so pick whatever you would like. For myself, I'm going to select this style. Click next again, and now we can select any voice we want to be used on this script. I'm going to be using the Adam voice as it is the most popular voice, which can help the video get more views. But choose whatever voice you want to your own liking. There are also some settings you can change with this voice, but I'm not going to change anything for this video. And you can also select background music if you would like. Personally, I am not going to select background music, and I'm going to do that directly in the TikTok application, as that could help the video perform better. Now you can generate the video that I just walked you through. And depending on the length of the story, it should not take longer than 5 to 10 minutes to download it. For myself, I'm going to download the file straight to my PC, and I'm going to upload it to TikTok on my finance clipping account. But if you don't want to download it to your device, then you can upload it straight to your social media accounts from the short.ai application. As I'm uploading this on TikTok, I'm going to add a short description, and I'm going to add 5 to 8 hashtags that have to do with this video. And I'm going to add a song to the background that has a similar vibe to the video, and now it is ready to post. And I have not posted clips in a bit on this finance account, so this video might flop, but I may turn this account into finance stories, as I've heard that is easier to monetize and less likely to get strikes on. But please let me know down below, if I decide to go the finance stories route on this account, is it fine if I pull the stories directly from Reddit if I change it a bit, or should I ask ChatGPT just to make fake finance stories? I am honestly open to doing either, so please let me know. But this is how you can use the Reddit feature on short.ai, and if you want to check it out, I will have a link below in the description. Yes, this tool does cost money, but ultimately it will save you a lot of time. So if you're busy doing other tasks in your day-to-day life, then this tool is definitely worth it. And I'm going to post Reddit stories for this next month on this account, and I'm very curious to see the results on how they perform.
AITA for being insane about finances? My husband has always been in charge of our finances. He claims he's more math-brained, even though I've aced advanced calculus and hold a master's degree. But I let him handle it because he enjoys it more, and up until now, it's worked. We each contribute a percentage of our income to a shared account for bills, and the rest goes into our personal accounts. It's always seemed fair, until recently. Lately, our marriage has been on the rocks, so much so that divorce is a very real possibility. That looming thought has forced me to start thinking critically about finances and my future. So, when he recently started a new job and his salary changed, I saw it as the perfect opportunity to finally sit down together and reevaluate our financial setup. When I brought this up to him, suggesting we go through everything as a team, his response was dismissive. "I've already made a spreadsheet. You'll owe more. When I finish, I'll let you know what you owe." Excuse me? That did not sit right with me. It felt like I was being dictated to rather than included. So I calmly repeated, "I'd like us to sit down together and go through everything as a team." His answer? A flat-out, "No, I don't want to do that. You can look at my spreadsheet when it's done." At this point, I was getting frustrated. This is a marriage, a partnership. I insisted we should make these decisions together. But he doubled down, saying he's always done it alone and that finances are a one-person job. So I asked, if it's a one-person job, then why don't I make the spreadsheet? His response? He laughed in my face and said, "I don't trust you to do it. Do you even know how to make a spreadsheet?" I was floored. I have a master's degree. I've done advanced math that would make his head spin, but I didn't even go there because that's not the point. The point is that this is supposed to be a shared responsibility. So I pushed back again, and that's when he completely lost it. He refused to give me any of the financial information, told me if I wanted a spreadsheet so bad, I could make my own. But he wouldn't give me the numbers to do it. That's when things got ugly. I was upset. My voice got louder, and I told him once again that I deserved to be involved in our finances. Instead of listening, he snapped. He started yelling, cursing, and worst of all, he called me insane and nuts in front of our young children. At that moment, something inside me broke. I'm genuinely shaken by the way he spoke to me, by the way he refuses to see me as an equal in this marriage. So, tell me, am I the AH here?
Here are the results after uploading 6 videos with the Reddit style post. And I honestly did not expect any of these videos to go too crazy, but my account isn't used to this type of content. But I uploaded these to YouTube and TikTok, and I'm going to plan on posting for a month to see the results if this is something I should turn my clipping page into. If any of you have any tips on how to get viral posts with this type of content, then let me know down below. But I could definitely tell on YouTube these videos are getting more views when I add a popular background song directly from the YouTube recommendation list. So that's something that you and I should keep in mind when we create these Reddit style posts. But we shall see if any video will pop off after posting these types of videos for about a month. I also have a free Discord community where we can all give free value to one another, so make sure you join that. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.